Omnilogin is an all-in-one anti-detection solution for managing multiple accounts at scale. If you are doing lead generation, sales, or HR, this is the easiest way to bypass LinkedIn's daily limits, such as message and connection request caps. In this video, I will guide you through creating profiles to manage bulk LinkedIn accounts using Omnilogin. First, select a group to store your profiles. Next, click New Profile. Here, you can use the Fast Create feature to create multiple profiles at the same time, matching the number of accounts you need. Then, fill in the details such as the number of profiles and the group. For LinkedIn accounts, using the right proxy is crucial. By default, each Omnilogin profile already functions as an independent computer. However, when a proxy is added, that profile utilizes a separate network connection, IP, enhancing the security and anonymity of your account. We recommend using residential proxies to minimize the risk of suspension. Select Custom, choose your proxy type, and paste the proxy into the proxy host field. The remaining proxy details will be filled in automatically. Next, choose the browser kernel, operating system, and browser. In the Advanced Settings section, you don't need to change anything. Keeping the default settings is the best way. Finally, click OK to complete the profile creation process. Once the profiles are ready, I will log into 3 different LinkedIn accounts on the 3 profiles we just created. When you run a profile, it opens a workspace window. This is a standard Chrome window, but it is completely isolated from the others. The beauty of Omnilogin is that the website cannot detect that the same person is controlling all these windows, allowing you to run multiple accounts on the same website, social network, or marketplace. The first time you log in using Omnilogin, you will need to verify your email, which is completely normal. They will send a verification code. Simply check your email, copy the code, and enter it. Once logged in, you can perform your desired tasks, for example, using the Windows Multitasking new feature to control multiple profiles at the same time. The great thing is that I encounter no errors, no verification prompts, and no suspicious login warnings. I can continue my daily work in each account as if they were running on separate physical devices. This is exactly how you bypass LinkedIn's daily limits. Simply create as many accounts as you need, run them simultaneously, and get your work done. Discover more tips and advanced features on our website and YouTube channel to start running multiple accounts today.